So I just got a package in the mail from Curveez and I'm super excited. So it is their perfect control layering leggings. So I'm really excited to try these because I usually wear more loose fitting shirts and stuff with leggings and not fitting. So I wonder if I'll be able to do that with this. So it's anti-slip silicone waist, in which when I pulled out, you can see the silicone waist in here. It has like the grip things for the anti-slip, tummy and hip shaping, leg compression, butt lift, and layering underclothes. So let's try it on and see how it goes. And I'm also going to put on a tight fitting top as well. So I just grabbed a t-shirt and I love it. Look at that. No little pouch. Yes, I have a tiny pouch, but you can't even see it with these leggings. So good. It really does come up super high. I feel pressed and held in, and there's actually no like overflow or anything. It's not like too tight where it is gonna overflow. Yeah, and it's petite friendly, so it definitely works. I give this a great review or referral, so definitely check them out. I will leave the link in my bio and check out my stories as well.